Hi, good morning. Today we will going to have an experiment. But before that, let's have the laboratory rules and regulations. First, you must wear lab gown and tie your hair for girls. And during the experiment, you must not taste any chemicals in the laboratory. And lastly, you must clean the used apparatus and the working area. And the title of our experiment is Variations of pH of Different Types of Soap.
And the main objective of this experiment is to measure the pH of the following soap, such as baby soap, mild soap, regular soap, whitening soap, and antibacterial soap. And also, in this experiment, we invite students to determine the variation of pH of these different types of soap. And during the experiment, the students must record the result using the lab desk and then be assigned in order from the lowest to the higher pH.
Have you ever felt the burning sensation on your skin when using some of the soaps? Testing pH of the soap is an easy way to be sure that your soap is safe to use and doesn't contain any lye. Lye is a strong chemical that's used especially in making soap. It can irritate or burn your skin. The pH scale is organized. 7. pH of water is neutral. As a quick point of the reference, here are the guides. pH 1.08 hydrochloric acid, pH 2 lemon juice, pH 7 water which is neutral, pH 9 baking soda, pH 10 milk of magnesia, and pH 14 is a lye or the base. The range 7 to 10 is considered safe to use. Above 10 indicates that your soap is harsh and can burn your skin.
The materials that we will going to use are 100 ml graduated cylinder, 100 ml beaker, stirring rod, masking tape for labeling, digital weighing scale, lab D.
This device will help us to easily measure the accurate variation of pH on different types of soap.
This USB cable connector and the pH sensor. Laptop, and here are the different kinds of soap. The baby soap, the regular soap, the antibacterial soap, the mild soap, and the whitening soap. And lastly, the distilled water, because if we use other type of water, it may alter the measure of the pH of the soap that we experiment.
So now for the procedure, step 1, take 5 beakers and mark each of them with a different name of the soap. Step 2, cut the soap into smaller pieces. Step 3, put 50 ml of distilled water with the 25 grams of soap inside the beaker. Same amount of soap and distilled water on the other beaker. Step 3, using stirring rod, stir the soap until it melts.
Turn on the lab disc, then press the pH button.
The purpose of this lab disc is to measure the pH of the soap.
Step 4, measure the pH of different types of soap inside the glass. Step 5, to collect data, put the electrode inside the sample without touching the beaker. Then, step 6, turn on the lab disc and observe and record the variation.
Clean the electrode first before putting it on other beaker. After measuring, turn off the lab test.
The result shows that all the soap that we have used in our experiment varies pH, and also all the soap are safe to use in our daily routine.